Konnichiwa, Kuniko desu. Let's make origami star. To make this unit origami, you will need 6 units. Let's fold one. Start out with a square piece of paper, one side color and the other side is white. And first, color side up, which is a gold on this paper, and you will make it into a triangle in white. Please make sure this is a white triangle, and I'm using a very thick paper, card stock, so I have to really press hard. Put your weight on it and slide to the side until it really makes a good sharp crease. Unfold that and you can see a very beautiful crease. Now turn the paper 90 degrees. Now the creasing line is vertical and you will make another triangle from the different direction. Same manners. Press hard. That's all I'm trying. This time I'm trying to do it with a nail. I still need a pencil to help me out. When you unfold, you can see X crease. Turn this paper to the back, flip, and now white side is up. From the bottom, fold it into a rectangle shape. And please notice this is the color is out. So now you are making a gold rectangle. I'm trying to fold really nice and precise. As much as I can. Unfold it. Turn the model 90-degree angle, and you will do the same thing from this side. From the different direction, you will fold again colored rectangle. In this paper, gold rectangle. Please make sure you make very sharp crease again and again. Now when you open it, you see the cross crease and X crease. And use all the folding and crease you made and 4 points, 4 corners to the center, and you see the shape just like this. And that is the unit. Let's put it upside down like this. You will make 5 more to make all 6 units. But let's make gold and silver color units first. So you will be making 4 units done first. Red units are the same folding process, but the red paper I have has 2 sides, same color, so I like to do additional things. We will make some marks. One side is 1, the other side is number 2. Please go ahead and write that. It's gonna help us. And 1 is up. Then you will make triangle from that side and then unfold, and you turn the paper and you fold triangle again. So the outside is the side 2. And from this, you turn it over. Now side 2 is up. Then from the bottom, you will make rectangle fold. and then unfold. You see the 2 again, and you turn the paper 90 degrees, make another rectangle fold. Make a sharp crease, and red unit is done. So make one more unit. Next, we will do additional markings. Mark 4 corners A, B, C, D clockwise. Do the same thing on the another red unit. Finally, you got 6 units done. Let's combine the 6 units. First, pick up silver and gold units and put it on a side by side, but overlap one square part. And do the same way from the opposite direction. So now you have silver in middle and gold on the left and right side. Grab a little piece of tape. It's a masking tape, so it's easy to take that off later. You're gonna take this off later. So don't put the tape too hard. I'm just putting that to combine the gold units and one silver unit together in the middle, so they stay together. And when you do upside down, you can almost put it in your hands, like you have a basket in your hand. Next, we will combine red units. Let's look at our markings A, B, C, D clockwise, and grab the corner of the A and insert the corner of C of the red. And D and B corner goes outside. Only the C goes inside. As a result, you see only one square of the red, quarter square you can see inside. And next, do the same, grabbing A corner and insert the C from the bottom, and then it will go inside, but please pay attention, B and D goes outside. And as a result, you see 2 C squares inside. And the corner of the C is in the center. Put all the units like a basket or a shape of a ball like, and we will put the last piece, which is a silver unit. Moving my finger just like this, pretend it's like clapping hands with my thumb and second finger, clapping hands from left and right, just like that. And you will put this one from the very top of the units in your hands, and the clapping hands go inside, but the top and bottom is outside. And when you combine all of them by the center creasing lines, that becomes an origami star. They were now locked very nicely, interlocked, so you don't need this tape. Very slowly peel the tape. Here's your origami star. I hope you enjoyed. Keep folding.